Yeah, the last time we chatted, we'd just been awarded this amazing project in Singapore, in fact on the island of Sentosa. That's now developed to the point where we've finalised all of the design. So the jump is now going to be a two jump deck system. So there'll be our base jump at 46 metres and our roof jump at just under 50 metres over a very large aerated pool. And this tower will have a lift, so all clients can go up to the top in a lift and or take a stairwell. And once they're on the top, there's a bridge that actually goes out to another tower at the back, and where we've got a new product called our Skywalk, where people will be able to walk along this bridge and over netting systems and glass floors and walls. It's quite a cool way to get exposed, if you like. The other two products that we've now confirmed is a tandem swing, which is two individual swings, and you'll be winched back across the road, fly across the site out over the beach towards the ocean. And these swings can operate bottom loaded or top loaded with 1, 2 or 3 people per swing. The most recent addition to the activities is what we call vertical skywalk, which is similar to wrap jumping, or you may have seen the SAS running down the front of buildings on ropes. Similar to that. It's basically head first abseiling, if you like. And that's from the 46 metre mark, where people will be able to run down the front side of the tower on 3 different rope systems. So 1, 2 or 3 people again can run down the face of this building. And so we've been a little bit delayed. It's now looking like we'll be opening to the public mid to late February next year, 2014, which in some ways is a blessing in disguise, because it was looking like it was going to be opening at the same time as Sochi, Russia, which was starting to put a huge amount of pressure on our resources. So this has taken the pressure off a little bit. I suppose the biggest challenge we've actually had in Singapore has been working with the local authorities, where we've actually we're having to change the amusement ride law to do with bungee jumping, where the current law stipulates a maximum jump height of 30 metres and it must be over an airbag. After much work with various people around the world, including Professor of Mechanical Engineering in Auckland University, we've been able to convince the local authorities that it's in fact safer to jump from 40 to 60 metres over water as opposed to jumping 30 metres over an airbag, as the majority of jumpers jump head first, and if there's ever an issue where we've got the wrong person on the wrong cord and they overstretch it, we don't want them flying into an airbag head first. So water is a lot softer, and it's also a lot more fun, and it keeps everything accurate, and so you'll have the option to also water touch, which is really nice, as Singapore's very hot. Yeah, so the design of this tower and the associated sort of base buildings and landscaping is really nice. We've got a French architect who's done a lot of work with us over the years, Igor, and he's done an incredible job alongside Peter Lennox, who is our local Cairns-based engineer, who designed the Cairns Tower, the Cairns building, the Bali Tower. He's done quite a lot of work for us, the swings here in Cairns, and Peter and his team have done an incredible job actually getting getting this together. It's quite difficult in that we're based in other countries. Having to work with people in Singapore means we're constantly flying up there for regular meetings to keep the project on target. It's been amazing for us, so like all of the local operators, especially on Sentosa Island, have been incredibly supportive. Nothing's a problem for them, and they've welcomed us in like old friends, you know. So we're really looking forward to working with other operators in Sentosa and Singapore, and you know, it's just around the corner. You know, the last 6 months have gone fast. The next are going to go faster. You know, but it's a really cool product, and it will be the safest bungee site in the world for a whole range of reasons, which I won't bore you with now. But it'll have a vast jump menu, similar to Cairns. Fortunately, Cairns still takes the record for that, but Singapore's not close behind.